This video, I'm going to guide you through using Active Goals in a simple and clear way. Even if you're new to automations, this walkthrough will help you set things up quickly and understand how goals can make your workflows more powerful. First, head over to the Active website and log in using your account name or email. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the automation section, which is where most of your automated communication will be built and managed. Click on Create an Automation, and instead of choosing a template, select Start from Scratch. This gives you full control and keeps things easy to follow. After opening the blank automation, you'll need to choose what triggers the workflow. Click on Add a Start Trigger, and since our focus is goals, simply search for Goal is Achieved. Select it, and you'll see options to set the exact condition that counts the goal. This could be a tag being added, a purchase being made, or any action you want to track. Adjust the conditions based on your objective, and once you're satisfied, click Save, so the goal becomes part of your automation. Now that your goal is in place, you'll likely want to add actions that follow once the goal is met. Click the plus icon and choose Send an Email. You can select an existing email to save time or start fresh if you prefer. Pick the follow-up email you want to send after the goal is reached, then finalize it by clicking Create. This ensures the message will automatically fire at the right moment. When everything looks good, save your automation so none of your work is lost. At this point, you've officially built a goal-driven automation. Goals help you guide contacts through a targeted journey, making sure each message feels timely and intentional. When is active, keep an eye on its performance over time. You can always refine the conditions or the follow-up steps to improve your results and better support your marketing strategy. I hope this tutorial makes it easier for you to get started. If you have questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Have a great day. Happy automating.